I don't think people understand why their house isn't selling. Let's dive into this guide and get you that sold sign. You listed your house with dreams of sugar plum deals. But now, the time between showings is so far apart. Is your house cursed? Probably not. It's just a bit stale. Here's why nobody's biting. First, that price tag. Your house isn't Buckingham Palace. Adjust it to something more realistic. No, really, adjust the price. Because at this point, the house is costing you every month, and you should be weighing that against what you would make. The longer it sits on the market, the more it costs, and arguably the less money you net when you factor in what you would have made if it sold when you wanted it to. Second, you missed the market boom. Adjust your expectations or consider a price reduction. Third, bad vibes. Fix those leaky faucets, banish bad smells, and maybe even sage smudge. Fourth, attracting the wrong crowd. Market to the right buyers. Fifth, your house is unique. Be patient and find that special buyer. Sixth, staging stuck in the 70s? Declutter and modernize. Seventh, curb appeal. More like curb repel. Tidy up that yard. Eighth, photos taken with a cheap phone? Invest in a professional photographer. Ninth, listing description dry as toast. Highlight the lifestyle. 10th, marketing in the Stone Age? Use social media. 11th, taking advice from Uncle Shoe salesman? Get a qualified realtor. And lastly, hovering during showings? Give buyers space. Leave while the buyers are there. Or, at the very least, go sit in your car. Relax, have a glass of wine, and follow this guide. Or contact us. We can help.